students, next exercise 16 series question number 5. In a box of length 1 meter, breadth 60 centimeter and a height 40 centimeter. So this is a box. The dimension of the box is 1 meter into 60 centimeter into 40 centimeter. The breadth and the height of the units are centimeter given, but the length of the box is in meter the unit. So first of all, we want to convert the length into centimeter. And another small rectangular packets of dimensions 5 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 10 centimeter are packed. How many such small packets can be packed in the big box? So the question is, so one box is there, the box is which is in the shape of cuboid. The dimension of the box is 1 meter into 60 centimeter into 40 centimeter. That is length, breadth, height of the box. And small some packets are packed into the big box. The dimension of the box also given. So the dimension of the small rectangular packets also given. So how many small packets can be filled in the big box? That is question. So euro small packets are. So the big box fit பண்ண முடியும், fill பண்ண முடியும். That is. So இதை என்ன find பண்றோம் அப்படினா volume of the box first of all find பண்றோம். So ஒரு box உடைய value and one packet உடைய value ரெண்டு தெரியும். So overall ஒரு box உடைய value இருந்து one packet உடைய value நம்ம divide பண்ணும்போது so we can get number of small packets to fill in the box. So first of all box உடைய length, breadth, height கொடுத்துறாங்க. So write பண்ணலாம். So box. So box உடைய detail first. Here length of the box is equal to L is equal to 1 meter. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is we know already. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So length of the box 1 meter, which means it is 100 centimeter. And then breadth of the box, that is 60 centimeter. Already given it. It is a unit centimeter. And the height of the box is 40 centimeter. Height of the box 40 centimeter. Box length, breadth, height and rectangular packet dimension. So small packet is dimension. So rectangular packet. So the dimension length is equal to 5 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 8 centimeter and the height of the packet is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the length, breadth, height of the small packets. So first of all we are going to find out the volume of the big box. So volume of the box is equal to volume of the box is equal to, so which is in the shape of cuboid, length, breadth, height கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So volume of the shape box is which is in the shape of cuboid. So formula is L into B into height cubic units. So LBH cubic units. So volume of the box 100 length into breadth 60 into height of the box is 40. So the simplify பண்ண வேண்டாம், அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம். So next volume of the one packet find பண்றோம். So volume of one packet, one rectangular packet actually it is. So one packet is equal to, so that's also rectangular shape and also it's a cuboid. So LBH cubic units. So length, breadth, height கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So cuboid shape. So அதுக்கான value find பண்றோம். So box உடைய value தெரியும் and one packet உடைய value find பண்றோம். That is length is equal to 5 cm 5 into breadth 8 cm into height of the box 10 cm. So value of the box find பண்ணிருக்கோம், value of the packet தெரியும். So overall number of packets next find பண்றோம். So number of packet is equal to, therefore number of packets to fill in the box is equal to, so volume of the box is divided by, so number of box என்ன பண்ணலாம், volume of the box இருந்து volume of one packet divide பண்றோம். So volume of the box, so overall volume is divided by volume of the one packet, volume of one packet, rectangular packet, that is, so rectangular packet. So value of the box நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So value of the box 100 into 60 into 40. 100. So இங்க சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்றதுக்காக என்ன பண்றோம்? இத நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாம டைரக்டா ரைட் பண்றோம். So divided by value of one packet is 5 into 8 into 10. So 5 into 8 into 10. So 5 into 8 into 10. So everything in the centimeter தான் கொடுத்திருக்கோம். So centimeter. Now 5 cancel simplify பண்றோம். So 1 8 is 8. 5 8s are 40. So 5 8s are 40. So 5 and 5 cancelled. So இங்க 1 0 cancel பண்றோம். Here also 1 0. So denominator la values கிடையாது. numerator la தான் எடுத்து எழுதுறேன். 10 into 60 into so இங்க வேல்யூ கிடையாது. So முடிஞ்சிரும். So 10 into 60. So multiply பண்ணா 166 20 apply பண்றேன். So 600 வந்துரும். So centimeter. So 600 boxes. So we cancel earlier. So total number of boxes 600 rectangular small packets. Therefore 600 packets. So 600 packets can be packed in the big box. So the big box la evlo packets fill பண்ணலாம். So 600 packets fill பண்ண முடியும். Thank you.